You possess a unique organ within known as the vagus nerve? In this brief and insightful video, I am going to let you in on how this mysterious nerve can pivot your life towards an unexpected path of prosperity. The moment you understand the sacred powers of this nerve, you'll possess the secret to channel an endless torrent of wealth into your life. The truth is, you're born with the inherent capacity to attract abundance, and the spark to light up this capacity lies within your vagus nerve. Modern science now backs up what these wise sages have known for centuries. Once you spark your vagus nerve, your consciousness expands, allowing wealth to flow freely and automatically. Interestingly, this happens so naturally that it even works while you're asleep. What's more, this method is effective for anyone, regardless of their current life situation. Indeed, this secret has already transformed the lives of countless people, empowering them with a life of liberty, wealth, and abundance. Don't mistake this for the law of attraction, repeating mundane affirmations, or morning journals. Rather, it is as simple as flipping a switch and dozing off. It might seem too simple to be true. This isn't about the law of attraction. This is about a scientifically backed method that uses sound waves to harmonize your body's energy centers, involving Kundalini, Chakras, and the vagus nerve. Ultimately, this isn't new. It's an ancient practice that science is only now validating. How is my personal information safeguarded? We've engaged top-notch encryption experts to secure your information. Many of them are even associated with the NSA. They employ 256-bit encryption technologies with secure sockets layer, SSL, ensuring your information is completely protected with the best technology available. It will help you to create a harmonious balance and flow of energy in your life and bring you into alignment with the cosmos and all of its abundance. All these 3 bonus gifts are included for free when you pitch in to get Celestial Prosperity Code today. That's easily over $400 worth of transformative sound waves and wisdom, all for just $39. But there's more. I want to make your decision today as no-brainer as possible. When you get Celestial Prosperity Code today, you're backed by our 365-day 100% money-back guarantee. Here's the deal. Click the button below to get access to Celestial Prosperity Code. Upon confirmation, you'll receive these specially crafted sound waves in your email. I recommend listening to them nightly for a month. Just let them play as you drift into sleep. I believe that within this period, you'll start noticing changes. It transformed me and many others. These tracks, in essence, help tune you into the universe's abundance wave, reinvigorating your energy centers and setting you on a path of prosperity. But if you don't feel these benefits, just reach out to our support team. We'll return your money in full immediately. No questions asked. No hassles. This lets you try Celestial Prosperity Code for a full year before deciding if it's right for you. So you don't have to say yes today. You only have to say maybe. I am taking all the risk on my side. So click the button below to start seeing shifts right now. Right now, you have 2 choices. 1. Ignore everything you discovered in this video. Pretend that it doesn't exist and continue what you've been doing. But you and I both know that where that leads more of the same. Truth is, if we do nothing, nothing changes. You could choose to wait until you hit rock bottom like I did before you do anything different. Or 2. Embrace a fresh start with the Celestial Prosperity Code and alter the course of your life forever. Knowing this option exists, can you really choose the former? Your move. Don't let another day slip by. Click the button below. I can't promise how long this offer, or even this site, will last. So act today by clicking the button below. Your future self will look back at this moment and be grateful you did. Try the Celestial Prosperity Code today.